Hello, this is Richard Collins in Oklahoma City. Perhaps you have a Xerox VersaLink B605 or many other similar ones just exactly like this, and you're getting a message on the screen that says replace fuser or order fuser. On this particular model, it's real easy to replace the fuser. Go ahead and turn the machine off, let it cool down, and you're going to go to the back of the machine. First of all, you need to order a fuser, have one on ready to put a new one in, and they run about 300 bucks. But you're going to come to the back of the copier, you're going to open it up, and this is your fuser right here. Okay, so you'll have a handle here and a thumb hold here. It comes out real easy. So you get your new one and go ahead and put it in. Turn your machine back on and you should be ready to go. Now this is for the Xerox VersaLink B605, and there's many others that are very similar to this. And if you need parts, pieces, supplies, information about your copier, go ahead and give me a call. My name's Richard. It's 405-947-6349. Love to hear from you.